What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video I want to talk about what I actually found the most difficult thing in Forex. So that's gonna be crazy, man, but it's not about strategy that what is hard to execute, yeah? Most is to stick to strategy, yeah? So I'm gonna give you an example, guys. It's very simple. It's very simple concept, and I will show you an example what happened to me today. Let me just make my face just a little bit smaller right here so everybody can see my beautiful face. So basically what happened today, yeah? You see this beautiful push, yeah? You see this beautiful push, yeah? I was thinking that's the impulse, but I was checking the higher time frame, and man, everything kind of it was going to the downside on the higher time frame, yeah. But on the 5 minutes time frame, yeah, it's kind of was providing me my setup, yeah. So I draw my little zone, and I was expecting the retracement and then move up. And once I was on my, I opened actually the position, yeah, and I opened the position not even at this point, by open somewhere here. It was kind of too late already, yeah, because my plan initially was like from here to here, and then from here I'm gonna just take half of the portion off, and then leave the price action to do his own thing, to go to the downside, something like that. That was my plan, yeah. But then I realized that I'm not sticking to my plan, because that actually it wasn't the case. The price action was going to the downside. If you're checking here, literally the price action is going down. And even on the 4 hour, it's kind of like moving up, yeah. But right now, look at this: push, pull back, break the kind of structure, then try to go higher, it couldn't, came down. Try to go higher, couldn't, come down. Try to go up again, and now it's going down. And I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I know what I'm doing, but the problem is because in one point I realized that I'm not sticking to my strategy. I got my zones marked up, yeah, kind of on the smaller time frame. It looks great, but actually it's not. And while I was in this trade, yeah, it started consolidating, and I was like, man, come on, man, that's actually hard. I didn't open the trade on my FTMO account, but I did open a trade on my how is it called, on my real account. So what happened? I enter here, it starts consolidated, and I was seeing this beautiful momentum cancel. It was kind of going up, and I was thinking to close here half of the position, yeah. What actually instead did, I was trailing kind of my stop loss because I realized I was doing wrong, and the price action just came down and stopped me, but stopped me in a small losing like 10 cents or something like that, only because I was opening here, so it was like kind of late opening position. And that's funny how this stuff works, but I realized that everything what we're doing in trading is wrong, not because of the strategy, guys, because our mental psychology, like weakness, I would say. Because otherwise I wouldn't even open the trade. I'm always trying to like take my best setups and everything to line up like literally perfect, and everything works perfectly. Sometimes I do have like 70 to 80% win rate. That's pretty awesome. But in this case, I realized that the reason why I was getting so confident. I was kind of thinking like, man, I'm started doing the same stuff all over again. I'm taking trades, I'm sticking to my plan, I'm growing a little bit, and then what I'm doing, I just kind of relaxing. The reason why, because I'm getting too confident of my setups. And once I'm getting too confident of my setups, it gets crazy stuff. Because look at this. I closed my position right here. The price action went literally down. my stop loss, it was actually here. It could stop me out like full stop loss and then move straight to my profit. But even that, it came down, literally came down right away back here. And look at these huge candles. Most likely the price action will just gonna dump here, retest and move up, move down. I think it might gonna do that. The reason why, because that's actually not sticking to my plan. That's it, guys. So I found that very interesting in trading, because the psychology is actually everything. And I'm gonna show you guys also. I'm gonna show you guys also an example. Yeah. So for example, this guy from here. Yeah. I'm trying to teach him how to trade, and you know what's funny, because man, this guy, yeah, I tell him literally right away how actually do I trade, yeah, and how much do I making. But this guy, he's losing. So basically I'm winning. He's losing. Look at this, beautiful. Look to the tip. I took this price action. It was going up to my TP. Very beautiful trades. Very beautiful trades. Look at this. It's very beautiful. You see? It's an awesome trades. The problem it was with that is just because, man, like, if you don't stick to your strategy, if you don't stick to not only to your strategy, to your rules, don't wait to get profitable any sooner. I mean, that's only my opinion. And to me, guys, this is the most hardest thing in trading. Not the strategy. The strategy is very simple. I just waiting for the push, waiting for the pullback, taking like from the 50% off or 75, and that's it. That's 1 to 2, 1 to 3 restore work. That's not a big deal. The problem is the way how I'm taking the trades. Feel me? If I can't really take the trades like properly, like literally 100% sticking to my plan, because yeah, the setup is here, but the higher time frame confluence is not there. So I'm trying to trick the market. But usually when you're trying to trick the market, you know what happens. The market messes you up. And that's the funniest thing, because right now it might gonna be profitable trade, but it doesn't attach to my plan. And that's the baddest thing you can do. So guys, the reason why I'm doing this video is only for you guys. Stick to your plan and don't mess around with trying to gamble this market, because there is no way that you're gonna get consistent profitable if you're gonna gamble the market. That's not the way how it works. So I hope, guys, you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please comment, hit the subscribe button for my future videos, and do whatever you want. Anyway, I'm journaling my journey, my Forex journey, right here on this channel. So yeah, guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace and love. I'm out.